Welcome to Virology Research Services, where we decode science and provide innovative solutions. Today, we delve into a familiar foe, influenza, or as we commonly know it, the flu. Every year, this notorious virus claims hundreds of thousands of lives, with the potential to cause deadly pandemics. But what exactly is influenza, and why is it such a challenge to our health system? Influenza viruses come in three types: A, B, and C. Each has its unique characteristics and impact. Type A, the main villain in our story, can infect both animals and humans and is notorious for causing severe symptoms. On the other hand, types B and C usually result in milder cases and are generally confined to human infections. Diving deeper into the structure, type A and B viruses have three key proteins on their surface: hemagglutinin, or HA, which binds to sialic acid receptors on the surface of host cells. This binding is the first step in the viral infection process, neuraminidase, or NA, which enables the release and spread of new influenza viruses from host cells. And the M2 protein, a proton channel essential for virus entry and assembly. Internally, A and B viruses both have 8 genomic segments. Influenza C viruses have only one external spike protein, HF, which functions in viral entry and egress, and an ion channel M2 protein. Type C viruses have 7 internal genomic segments. The real challenge with influenza lies in its ability to mutate rapidly, a process known as antigenic drift. This means new flu strains appear each season, sidestepping our immune defenses and often reducing the effectiveness of the previous year's vaccines. Even more alarming is antigenic shift. This is when influenza A viruses swap genetic materials and spawn completely new viruses, leaving our immune system caught off guard. In the battle against the flu, we arm ourselves with antivirals and vaccines. Antivirals like M2 and NA inhibitors can be game changers if administered quickly after infection, but resistance is an ever-present concern. Due to the flu's shape-shifting nature, vaccine formulations must be updated annually to keep up with the evolving strains. The dream? A universal vaccine capable of effectively combating all flu variants season after season. Could this be the long-awaited solution? Meanwhile, as research progresses, it remains critical to maintain our defenses. Frequent hand-washing and bolstering our immune system through healthy practices and vitamin D supplementation are key strategies in this ongoing battle. We've taken a close look at influenza, but there's always more to learn. We're a team of scientists that specializes in virus research, including influenza, and we'd be happy to connect with researchers who might benefit from our services. And if you're into virology and enjoyed this video, follow our channel for more straightforward science content.